Hi, my name is Raymart Bilancero from BSMT Y211. This is my video presentation. This is my understanding of Rules 13 to 18 regulation. This category of toxic liquid substances is another name this rule, and the one adopted by the International Maritime Organization as part of the International Convention for the Control and Management of the Ship's Ballast, Water and Sediments to preserve the ocean ecosystem. These procedures and arrangements manuals are books that details how to perform specific tasks and follow specific protocols within an organization or for a specific project. It often contains details on procedures, law, safety, precautions, and changes must be made to ensure proper operation. Direction for ensuring a safe working environment for us, such as emergency response plans, a frequent documentation instrument on ship and other vessels is the cargo record book. Thank you po.